My name is Chuntian Wang, and this is my website. I call it Cloud Closet. It's an online consignment store. So we start with the login form at the homepage. So we can get like an email from our database and put in here. It's like, is this the user? And put password to log in. And then we will have the user's information, and you can update the information by click the button. And for example, if you want to change their phone number to 1111, update the profile, and when you go back to login again, you will see your phone number has been changed. And if you don't have an account, and you can just click new users and fill out the form to register. And say, welcome to a family, and one row was inserted. And for the user, here when you click shopping, you can access to our online consignment shop, and you can see all the item here. And when you click one of this item, you will see the designer's name, the market price of the item, and what we can give for discount depends on users' credit point. And we can choose the size using the drop-down menu, and there's a description of the item. And when you click continue to checkout, you will ask for fill out all this information. And so if you don't fill out all the information, you click place the order, it will gives you the message saying you need to fill out the form again. So and click place the order, and you will the website will give you a confirmation page. And for the admin side, when you click all orders, you will see this is the order we have so far. And if you want to cancel one of these, you just check the box and click the button and say one order has been canceled. When you go back to all orders, you won't see that order anymore. And if you want to see all users payment info, here is a list of all user payment info. And if you want to update one of this, and for example, if you want to update James Hours payment info, you click the button, and you can change the zip code to 1111 and click update. When payment info has been updated and you go back, you will see his zip code has been changed. Thank you.